Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I don't know if you can hear me, I have my mask on because my sister and I are in the nail shop. Say hey Kim. It's her birthday tomorrow, and so today we're just doing a little bit of maintenance. We're getting nails and toes done, and I'm getting my lashes done today. I've never had lash extensions before, so I'm pretty excited. If I like them, she's skeptical about it, so if I like them, she'll probably get them done the next time. So I don't have any makeup yet for today. Yeah. You know what color you're getting?
The nail? It's like going to be somewhat like spring, like nude.
Oh, she's getting a design, right? She's getting like an actual thing. I normally get that. You guys know I normally, if you follow my social media, you know I normally get like a look, but I've been wearing my nails pretty like short lately, and so I'm just getting a color, probably like an orange. I broke this nail, so I bought some water. I have a water. You want some? First of all, we're irritated because it took a long time. Let me just get over close so you can see. We've been sitting here, so our appointment was at 10. What time is it?
10:30.
So it's 10:30 now. We've been sitting here, and we just have our feet in the water. But honestly, I wasn't even gonna get mine. So when I took my feet out of the water, I got cooler. I got a little cooler. It's hot in here, and they haven't even started this yet. So I actually also have my boo-boo with me, Maddie. Say hi. Yeah, so I packed him his snacks and stuff. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. I will show you guys in a few. You know, I don't know why my mask is coming down. I guess because I'm talking. So let me stop talking. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I finished getting my nails done, and oh god, I need to clean this camera lens. And my girl Kiana, where is she? Oh, she's not. She's about to come out. She is about to do my lashes. So I've never had lashes before, but as you can see, I really don't have any, but we'll see. Also, I rub my eyes a lot, so I don't know how this is gonna go. All of this discoloration on my eye has come from me having allergies. So yeah. Yes, baby. Hello? Hey guys, so me and my sister, she's on her phone doing stuff, but we are on our way to our other sister's birthday dinner. So I started off real good, y'all. I don't know how this sister was out all day and she still was ready before me. I don't get it. My son is with us too. It's a whole family affair for this thing, but I'm going to be taking some pictures of my outfit. This shirt, if anybody was wondering, I did do a haul on it, and it's from Pretty Little Thing. But I'm excited, mainly because I'm starving, and I'm just hoping that it's not traffic out here, because typically it always is. It says for us to go 297.
recommendation, like I'm clearly not following it. So I know, like, what are you doing? These people out here in this area, y'all, they really just they don't care about any other drivers. Like, they really just do anything that they want to do.
Exit right.
So yeah, said we should be there in 10 minutes. That's pretty good. And I'm parking in a garage, so it's not like we're gonna have to drive around looking for parking. Matt, can you say hi? Okay. I literally did exactly what the thing said do, and it's just changed. Hey guys, so this is everyone. We're ready to go up with our gifts. Here's the birthday girl. Taking pictures. The boys. Hey guys, hey. From the guys. Mr. Matt? Matt. Maddie, say happy birthday, Auntie Kim. Matt.
Happy birthday! Mom, this is for you again, Mom.
I gotta remember this, Daddy. This is so cute.
What is that?
You wanna see?
They are autism pins.
Oh. You should stick to your phone?
You can stick it like if you have like a backpack or a baseball cap or a jacket.
Oh.
This is pretty. We didn't have a birthday card. You hear me? We didn't have a birthday card. Yeah, so why do you have some?
Thank you, Maddie, for being here.
And this is just, I'm just gonna have this with
Yeah,
music.
music.
Yeah.
No.
Did you get the last part where I got it from?
Mom.
That's cute, Betty.
Mom.
Yes.
This part?
I made that for you,
Yeah.
Mom.
The little army.
Through and through.
Mom, I made that for you.
You made it for me? Thank you, Steffi.
That was so sweet of you, Steffi. It's so sweet of you.
This is all these products. Wow. I guess when I'm getting older, I can put this on like right now. This thing's cutting my face.
I know. It's just
those type of colors. I need to put this on right.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. They can't let me have any moment of like anything.
I'm like so
Turned
off by it.
Thank you, Becky. I needed this too already. Oh, okay. I'm definitely putting this on right now. Make it open and Courtney.
Mine is yours.
like right now glosses are really glossy. Everything is like over the top. I like how the crown is now. It's like laid back. Sherman is just so.
Is he coming?
So it looked like he was going today.
I think he's coming.
And then when I saw him,
He told me he was gonna come, but in a secret way.
he did. Stop lying, Shane. Stop telling stories.
Camera was not recording.
I don't care. It's like
This is not gonna mute it.
that's perfect. You say you gonna need it?
You know how they we have like music playing with people.
Oh my god! Did you do this for me?
I thought she did. I need to ask you that too. Oh, did you do
Not
that?
this time. Do I like this? Prosecco? I know I can only drink light colored stuff.
So that's a version of white wine. So.
Okay, good.
Ma,
This is really celebratory. My cake today.
made for you.
You made it for me too? Thank you, Steffi.
And it's a very glitzy, like, she's never gonna open it.
I have guests that come to recover because
She ever decides to come back. That's his, I'll take it.
this has champagne in them? Really? Well, that's easy. I can do this instead of drinking. I'm hearing your vintage champagne. How many do I eat at a time?
I gotta put it up.
Am I doing yours now?
The last one.
But I saw him like drinking out the straw and going back into the glass before. Story of my life this year. I can't have anything. I mean, I guess I could not tell you, but
He must have had
she
the
said she thought he did drink it. Yeah, maybe she thought he did. And he definitely did.
Bông nóng vào tụi em.
Bessie, enough water because you have to go to the bathroom. Okay. I know it's really good. What? You were the Intermix? When? Without me? You serious? Huh? When did you know? So baffled right now.
You know the bag said?
Intermix?
Yeah, I said you didn't know when you walked up.
No, I didn't. Let's just fix. Oh, get me a gift card to Intermix.
Now you have no excuse not to go get a pretty blouse.
This store is so pretty. Like, even the freaking bag is pretty. Like, look at it. Isn't it?
It's really nice.
I'm glad I got my nails done.
And it's not a lot.
Did you see any? You saw some cute stuff in there? Did you buy anything for yourself?
Me and Matt didn't buy
This
anything.
was last night when I was in Annapolis.
No, when we decided that we weren't going to make it in time, I knew you were.
Yeah.
I just like.
Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to mommy. My boy.
Okay.
Boy.
Make a wish first.
Wow, yay! Ma, yeah, I want a piece of cake.
Okay, you can have a piece. You know he wanted a piece. I want a piece. I think it has ice cream on it. That's what I'm saying. I'm so mad.
Ice cream and
Can I take a piece of rice?
No one.